How to install space-saving doors. What you'll need: the bifold doors that fit in the doorway you want to install, a drill, wood chisel and hammer or router with hinge attachment, hinges and doorknobs, wood filler and spackle, sandpaper, and just in case, a wood planer. Hi guys, if you watched my drywall video, you'll remember that I got a ridiculous quote to redo my bathroom, to open it up, give me a little bit more space. So I decided that I would do some smaller projects that I could do myself to make the bathroom feel more open and inviting and give me some more space. The first thing I did was knock out part of the shower wall to open it up a little bit, make it feel like it's got more room. The second thing I'm going to do is switch out the door. The door takes up a huge part of the bathroom because it swings open, it swings closed into the bathroom. You can't do anything with this wall that the door is on. So I decided I was going to buy some bifold doors and make them like French doors. So I'm going to hinge them out into the bedroom. So the doors are going to open out into the bedroom. It's going to open up this entire space here. I had to special order these doors. These bifold doors needed to be 28 by 80 to 81 depending on the space that you want under the door. When you order bifold doors and say 28 by 80, they're going to give you something that's a little bit smaller. I learned that the hard way. They leave space for the hardware as if you were hanging these in a closet, which is what they're technically for. So this is second attempt. 8 weeks later, I got the right doors. Each door panel is 14 by 81. It's going to give me plenty of room to hang it. I might have to plane it just a little bit on the sides to make the doors close perfectly, but I'd rather them be too big to start than too small. So here we go. Standard hinge height is 7 inches from the top. So you want to make a little line. And 11 inches from the bottom. So you're going to want to measure up from the bottom of the door frame to 11 inches up. I'm only doing 2 hinges because these are smaller doors. They're not a full door. Normally with this height of door, you would want a 3rd hinge, but because it's only half of a door, not a whole door, I'm okay with just doing 2. Okay, so you've got your little mark where the hinge should be. The first thing that you want to do is take your wood chisel and make a tiny imprint all the way around directly on the line. I do this for safety, protecting my wood, because if I start to chisel and the wood starts to crack, the crack is going to stop at these lines. So I just outline it, starting with the biggest wood chisel first, and then around the corners I take it to the teeny tiny one. Just so there's a pressure break in the wood when I start to chisel. Now I'm going to take from here, now I'm going to take the big wood chisel and have a go at it. I'm going to tilt the wood chisel at an angle. And just carve out tiny shavings. Make sure you're not getting too deep. Once you've got your hinge groove carved out, you're simply going to attach the hinge. Next, you have to find something that's the exact gap height you want under the door. Super cute tiles, I know. Then you're going to set the door there and mark where the hinges meet the door, so you can start your hinge grooves on the side of the door. Then you're going to make sure whatever you placed under the door for the gap is back under when you attach the hinge to the door. It's going to keep it level. And don't worry about around the hinge. You can spackle that later to smooth it out. If you're new to hanging doors like me, your hinge grooves aren't going to be perfect. Easy fix. Get some spackle, fill it in, wait for it to dry, sand it, and you're good to go. Then comes the fun part of getting to pick your hardware. I chose these cute crystal doorknobs. And for the inside, just a simple latch. And now I'm all done with the install. I'll save the painting for later. For more videos, write in and tell me what you'd like to fix. And don't forget to subscribe to Do It Herself TV.